Here's a brief summary of the information types contained in each product module. OneSearch Plus. This is our recommended way to find information. OneSearch Plus has recently been upgraded to provide improved navigation with graphical cards returning information according to a technician's workflow. This module provides results from both the OEM repair library and SureTrack real-world information based on actual repairs, all from a single search, ensuring users always see what's available for both information types right away. By design, OneSearch Plus is the primary lookup method to use. Estimate Guide. This provides access to look up labor times for repair and maintenance procedures, OEM part numbers with list pricing, and also fluid types and capacity information to go along with scheduled services. Quotes. Provides the means to create and store estimates with or without customer contact information, along with user-entered items, taxes, fees, and discounts. Maintenance. This is where to find the various types of factory-recommended services for any selected vehicle. SureTrack Community gives users access to the online community of technicians, allowing you to ask and answer questions as well as search for tips and real fixes. Service Manual. The Service Manual module is provided as a method to navigate point-and-click style to all of the repair information provided by the OEM for the selected vehicle.